So, hello friends. Today we will solve this question 2211 count collision on a road. So, this problem has been asked on uh, December 4, 2025. And firstly, we will understand what the problem is saying. So, we will take the screenshot. Hmm. We should close. Scene. Okay, so here is the problem. So the question is saying that mm, we have to count the collision on a road. Hmm, 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 So there are n cars on an infinite long road. So there's a infinite long road, uh, and the cars are numbered from 0 to n minus 1. N minus 1. So from left to right, left to right, and each car is present at a unique point. You are given a zero index string direction. So we have given a string direction R L R S L L. Hmm, 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 hmm. So R represent it means the car is moving in the right direction, and L represent the car is moving on the left direction, and S means the car is standing at a same point. So it's in static motion. I mean it is a stop. So we need to count the number of collision, that how many number of collisions are possible. So if we look into the problem, then we can realize that the condition uh, uh, condition to condition for collision is that it should be the in this direction and this direction. And one more observation is that after a collision, the cars can no longer move and will stay at point where they collide. And if we look the number of collision, like how to calculate the number of collision, then we will see if two moving car collide, then the number of collision is two. And most important thing, one of the most important part of the question is that after the collision, the both car comes into the static position. And if one car is moving and another car is stationary, so the number of collision will be one. So basically, from this we can conclude that the total number of total collision is always less than or equal to total number of moving car. So this is the condition. Like we can conclude from this. And one more thing, like we can conclude is the when no collision will take place. When no collision will take place. So when uh, like left, and right. If all the car is moving this direction, then they will never collide, or this they will also never collide. So condition of collision is that the first uh, the condition of collision is that the from the left side, the car should move on the right direction, and from the left right side, the car should move on the left direction. So this will be the so these car will collide. And one more thing, if this is the condition, and then this is static, static, moving, moving, moving. So even after collision, in the car got also in a static position. So after collision, the car also get into static position. It will not move. So the number of collision will be at max the number of moving car. So here the maximum collision will take place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if car from extreme left side and the extreme right side, they are moving in opposite direction. So ये सारे ही so all these cars will collide 100% surely. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these five cars will collide. Now we have to check like the number of collision is 5 or less than 5 or greater than 5. So it will not be greater than 5. But now check like it is possible that it is less than 5. So it is also not possible because the collision will take place shortly. So let assume that this will collide from this and it will come into static. We can make two static, and this will collide with this and it will also come into static position, and this will collide with this and both will come into static position. Even if one more car was going on the left direction at this position, then and here we have two static position, then they will collide with first static car and it will also become at a static like this. So basically the total number of uh, total number of collision is total number of moving car. Total number of moving car, and this we will count from from not considering the those cars which are going on the left direction from the left side and the right direction from the right side, because they will got the escape. So now how to, so what should be our algorithm? So let us assume like left, 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 right, 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 left, right, left, right, static, static, left, right, static. So our target will be the first to calculate this index, because we have to remove that, and this index, this. So we have to calculate this index. So the one thing is we can create a variable left. This will calculate this position, and right will calculate this position, and this we will initiate from -1, -1. If left remains -1 or right remains -1, the answer is 0, or left or right comes here. If right is less than left, then answer is also 0, and in another case, and in all other case, the answer will be the number of LRS, not S but L, like all the car with L or R denomination or notation. So let's code the same code. So so we can see that what should be the time complexity, the direction, the elements, number of elements in the direction array is 1e5. So we can solve this question in one iteration, and the time complexity will be big of n, which is feasible. So let's code in. And for better, we are making a map with key as char and int as value. Mm. So if MP directions of I is not equal to -1, so it means that car is either stationary or moving to right directions. Left equal to I. For int I equal to n-1, I get n equal to 0, I minus minus, uh, and the direction is not in the right side. It means car is either stationary or moving in the left direction. So right equal to I. If left equal to -1 or right equal to -1, return 0. If left, uh, if right is less than left, return 0. Uh, in other case, count the number of moving cars from left to right. Int answer equal to 0. For int I equal to left, I is less than equal to right, I plus plus. If MP of directions of I is not equal to 0, answer plus plus, return answer. So if car is not moving, we will not calculate in answer. Let's see. Hmm. So probably we are doing some mistake, and now we have to debug this MP direction. Phase three, phase two, phase one. Combination of I equal to is not equal to 1. If right is less than if right is less than left, I plus plus if MP in directions of I is not equal to 0, you can answer. What could be the error, bro? I have to debug this. See out left. Mm, mm, हाँ 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 हम्म। हम्म। So I am not reaching here in this case. Probably I am got return from this position or this position. See out A. See see out C. Hmm. So we are getting this and getting this. So hmm. So we are getting A, but we are not getting C. Hmm. So left is -1. Okay, 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 okay. The most important thing is that I forget to get break, and now it should pass. So it got AC. So that's it was easy question. So thank you from my side. If you got this problem, then please subscribe it. If not, then no problem. You can comment anything in comment section.